to work a little bit on this GameMaker app again today. Got 55% of battery, so we'll just see what we can get done. When we last spoke, we left off last time. Resize these windows. Let's see. So we got the basic interface working. We got the very most basic functionality working for navigating between cards, creating buttons and linking those buttons to other cards, and a run mode. Oh, and drawing, so you can draw things. There's a cloud. So you can't erase things. You can't, actually you can't even see images in run mode right now. And you can't do animations. So all those things would be nice to have. Let's try to make that happen. Let's close some of these windows. Cool. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is make the images show up in run mode. So right now the problem is just that we have this toggle here. So if we're running the game, we show an image source, a card image. If we're not, we show the sketch field. The problem is the card image is some JSON representation that sketch field builds for you. So it's not actually a displayable image. So one thing that we could do is store that image JSON, and we could store like the because you can call like to data URL on here, I believe, which I think would work. Let me log that out and make sure that's a real thing. Card image ref. To, what's it called? Data URL. I should check that out. Yeah, almost. Cool. So yeah, I do a lot of debugging by logging things out, you'll notice. It's the only way. Okay, cool. So we're disconnected, so let's restart. Let's draw something. Let's go next. Alright. Yeah, that looks like a data URL. I think I can just put that in my image tag then. So if I do card.image data URL, set that to this cool guy. Then perhaps I can just display that down here. This is not a like long-term solution, of course. Just want to see if it's okay. Let's try it. Hey, kind of works. I like it. All right, let's see. So what's a better way to do it? So I have the JSON representation. I just need to have a way to convert that kind of on the fly to a SVG, probably. Pretty sure that the underlying, what's it called? Filter. No. The underlying library that this React Sketch library uses has the ability to do like to SVG, but sadly they do not expose that. Let's see, the other thing. Still. Okay, so the bad way's done, good way still yet to do. Maybe an SVG. All right, I would also like to have other tools. The React Sketch example page had a bunch of tools. Let's go find those. Nope, nope, nope. Fabric.js, that's the one. Okay, let's see. So they upload an image. So here. So you can add an image from an image URL, which is handy. It's really nice. I wonder what it does in the background. Curious to know. But either way, the main thing I want to be able to do is to add some more tools. So pencil, line, rectangle, circle, pin. Let's see how they do that. Tools. Okay. Okay. So I store the state, the tool in state. There are some. Whoa. Other tools here. So select, pencil, line, arrow, rectangle, circle. So let's just add like a header bar on the top here with some additional tools we can use. Cool. Start with a flex box, and then we'll just put some buttons in. Select a rectangle. What else? What else? All right, line, circle. Cool. And we will stop there. Nice. Okay, let's see. So whenever we click on one of these things, we want to switch the tool. So we need to store the tool in state. So right now we're not. So let's add another piece of state here. We'll default to the pencil. Oh wait, is that not a thing I can do? Tools. All right, spell things properly. And let's also add our change tool. Function. Do I need this? All I want to do is set the state to the different thing, so I think I can just do it here. Let's try that. So that's a state thing. Should re-render. I don't know what it'll do to my image, but let's find out. Okay, so just add this guy and say, whenever you click him, Set tool. All right. Cool. Okay. I think that kind of works. Whoops. It's going to be a line. Actually, I should go up here. Circle. All right. Let's see how this goes. Lovely. Should spell rectangle properly, probably. Okay, cool. So, let's see, does this all get saved? Yep, it does. All right.